Well, we are here at Best Buy, and I'm going to proceed in to pick up the DJI Mavic Mini. Let's get in there. Here we go. See how this works out here. You can see they're all ready for Black Friday in here. This is crazy. It's absolutely crazy stuff. This ought to be quick. Nobody, just have one customer up the front. Oh, that was easy peasy. In and out. Could not be any easier. Let's gonna take a quick look at it here when we get over to the truck. Well, as you can see, I am outside here, and I've just picked up the DJI Mavic Mini Flymore kit, and I'm excited to get into this and see what's going on here. Picking up the DJI Mavic Mini was a piece of cake. All I had to do was show my email on my phone, get out my ID, ask me if I wanted a printed receipt, and put it in a bag. That was it. It was easy as 1, 2, 3. So